What's up, guys? Welcome back to Auto Rehab. Today we got a 2009 Porsche Cayman S that we're working on. Unfortunately, we started late in the process due to opening my YouTube channel late. Alright, we bought this car at an auction. It was involved in a left side collision. Needed a quarter panel replaced, a door replaced, some suspension, rim replaced as well. And we will show you guys the steps we took to fix it. Alright, y'all, so this is the damage in the car. As y'all can see, it's a left side damage. The door got damaged pretty much right there where the quarter panel goes into the side skirt. All that is going to have to get replaced. And the rim got damaged beyond repair, so need a new wheel, and most likely it'll need a complete knee assembly. The lower control arm, upper control arm, the strut, the hub, I'd replace everything, because if it took a hit like that, there's no telling. And it'll need a rear bumper cover. Thankfully, no frame damage and no airbags deployed. Alright, y'all, we're gonna do a start. I'll show you guys. The car actually starts up and runs, so that is awesome. It got 63,000 miles on it. This is the rare sight. You get a wrecked car and no kind of check engine light, no kind of lights on. Look at that. Perfect. 6-speed manual. This thing should handle pretty good. This right here is going to be the parts car. Is going to fix the red Cayman out front. We're going to use the left side door and the left side quarter panel. Before we can start on that, we need to figure out how we get this car off. Most likely, guns right here, manpower. Alright, go on, computer. Right here, it's the manpower right here. So we're going to get the spot off right here. Alright, luckily I had a parts car. Not the ideal quarter panel, but we can make it work. We can make two pieces out of one. And we're going to do that to that car. But it's a good candidate for a parts car. As y'all can see, I used a lot of parts off this car, but there's still some left.